Aloha. I thought maybe some of you would like to see what it takes to make a graphic design and how a graphic design becomes a vinyl decal. I'm going to take you through the steps one by one because I have Movie Pro on my iPhone. I can pause between steps. It should be relatively short. First, you need to start with a blank slate. Here are some of the tools and products that I use to do the graphic design. I have my Kleanz-Easy to make sure the car is clean, my soapy water, I have a ruler and some measuring devices, an Exacto knife, a razor blade. I have 1-inch and 2-inch masking tape. I have transparent vinyl static tracing paper. And then over here, 3M makes something called Knifeless Tape. Well, this is called wrap cut. It's basically the same thing. It has a filament inside the tape. You put the graphic over it and then pull the filament out. That's pretty much it. Step 2 is to figure out what design that you want and lay out reference tape. I'm using 1-inch tape to give me reference points all around the graphic. Okay, after you've laid down your 1/8-inch pinstripe, I chose this design because I've already done the C8R. Now I'm going to remove the reference tape. Okay, now that everything has been laid out, the reference tape removed, the next step is to put the transparent static vinyl sheet on and trace out the design. Once that's done, I have to put it in the mail and send it to Mike at vetstripes.com. It takes about a 2-week turnaround. When I get it back, I'll check to make sure all the gaps are correct, that the positioning is correct, and then I'll make the adjustments and send it back again to Texas. Tomorrow I'll show you the transparent static vinyl wrap. Aloha and stay safe.